How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to see who actually viewed your Facebook profile. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your Facebook application is up to date. You can easily open the Play Store or App Store on your device, depending upon your device, and then search for Facebook. As you can see, there is no any update button next to it. That means we already have the latest version of Facebook. If you have update button next to Facebook app, then tap on it and update it to the latest version. Now tap on open button and then open Facebook application. Make sure you already have logged in or signed into your account. Then the first step is you need to do is you need to first of all turn on the professional mode on Facebook. For that, select the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, select the profile at the top of the screen. And on this profile feed, select the three dots next to Edit Profile button. Scroll down and tap on Turn on Professional Mode. You simply need to select the Turn on button and follow all the steps one by one. Once you turn on, you have to set up your profile in order to switch it to professional mode. Once it turns on the professional mode, you will see the dashboard. Simply tap on See Dashboard button here and let's tap on Explorer on your own. Here are different kinds of options here. Simply you need to select the Reach button here, which is under Performance. And as you can see that there is zero reach on this profile, that means no one has viewed our profile on Facebook. But there is any number like 1, 2, 3, then we can know that those particular person number or those number people has viewed your profile on Facebook. But let me inform you that due to the restrictions or the privacy of Facebook, Facebook does not directly allow us to see who actually viewed our Facebook profile, but only the numbers of people who have viewed your Facebook profile. So if you want to really see who actually viewed your Facebook profile, then there might be different kinds of third party sites or app that help us to see who actually viewed our Facebook profile, but they are kind of risky. So you need to do or perform those activity on your own risk. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.